The Pathline's all about being compact and easy to transport. And the air-filled tyres, they give you a smooth ride. It handles 120 kilos. You get a good range of up to 25 kilometres. Let me show you what else it does. Now, let's talk performance. What this scooter can actually do out in the real world. With up to 25 kilometres of range on a single charge, that'll do you for most trips. No matter what your route is, hills won't be a problem. And this dial lets you set your top speed up to 8 kilometres an hour. Safe, comfortable, no rush. Good sized 9-inch air-filled tyres for a cushioned ride. Rear suspension on this one also helps to smooth out the ride. Grass, gravel, rough footpaths, it handles them all easily. And the tight turning circle? Perfect for getting around smaller spaces. Let's talk about setup, as well as comfort, because honestly, that's what makes all the difference when you're out and about. There's hardly any setup. Just attach the seat and the rear view mirrors. Only takes a few minutes and you're good to go. Supportive padding on the seat. Padded armrests, they adjust inward and outward to get that perfect fit. The seat spins right around to help you out. And the seat has multiple settings to best suit your height. And the handlebars adjust to get completely comfortable. Let's talk operating it. It's all about safety, control and simplicity. It's got a bright headlight. It's got reflectors for higher visibility. The battery meter shows you just how much juice you've got left, as well as it having a horn. And just to get going, turn the key. And you're away. All right, now let's talk about the practical stuff. All those little things that make everyday use super easy. Front basket and a pouch on the back for a book or whatever. And handy cup holders behind the fairing. The front bumper that keeps it looking good in case you bump into something. There's even a USB port to keep your phone charged on the go. And it's got a freewheel lever so that it can be manually pushed to be stored in a garage if you wish. The seat lifts straight off. And here's how the battery pack can detach. Fold down the handlebars to fit in most car boots. Of course, with the battery removed, you can charge it wherever you want. Really handy. Equipmed Mobility Solutions aren't just about getting you from A to B. We're about helping you get your independence back. Now, if this looks like the right model for you, then you can order it in today and have it shipped to the location of your choice within just a few days.